Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Are you dealing with a flickering screen on your Acer laptop? This issue is common and often fixable at home. Understanding the flicker patterns is key to identifying the root cause. An Acer laptop flashing screen can blink, flicker, or show distortion during regular use. This typically indicates a broken signal path between your GPU and display. Luckily, most flicker issues can be resolved without replacing the display. In recent years, screen flickering has become more prevalent among Acer laptops, especially those with Intel Arc and Iris X graphics after a March 2025 update. Thermal throttling in certain models due to a firmware change has also contributed. Knowing these specific causes can save you time and frustration. Start by checking the flicker pattern. If it stops when you open Task Manager, it's likely a software issue. If not, you'll need to explore hardware causes. The first step is to update or roll back your GPU driver. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and update your driver. If the issue arose after an update, roll back to a previous version. Next, ensure that your display's refresh rate is correctly set in Windows. Settings that mismatch can result in flickering. If those steps don't work, reseat the internal display cable. A loose connection could be why you're experiencing flickering. This process takes about 10 minutes and can solve issues in a significant number of cases. If the flicker continues, run a BIOS update to address potential thermal throttling or related bugs. For software fixes, tools like Driver Easy Pro can help automatically match drivers to your Acer model. For hardware checks, consider using a USB-C to HDMI adapter to quickly confirm if the issue is with the panel or GPU. Avoid common mistakes such as updating Windows without checking for driver compatibility. Many users inadvertently make the flicker worse by downloading incompatible updates. If your flickering screen only happens when your laptop is on battery power, your power plan settings may be to blame. Adjusting the power plan can often resolve this issue quickly. We'll summarize: identify the flicker pattern, check and update drivers, verify refresh rates, reseat cables, and look for BIOS updates. Most fixes are simple and can be done from home. So, don't rush into purchasing a new laptop or screen replacement. Follow these steps instead. If you have questions or need further help, reach out to community forums for support. Your Acer laptop can easily be back to normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.